Click on the top left button to set status to offline or online. This shows you the number of unread messages. This shows you the total number of messages until now. This shows you the total number of leads until now. This shows you the total number WhatsApp contacts. This shows you the total number FB pages. This shows you the total number of leads. Here you can see all your conversation from all the platforms you have. Click here to filter conversations. These filters help you see your conversations the way you want, from filtering according to bots to filtering according to the onboarding date to even multiple filters at once. We have it all covered for you. You can also open an individual conversation and change its lead status from here according to the progress it has made. To initiate or follow up on closed WhatsApp conversation like this one, click on Send Template and choose a template of your choice and send it accordingly. In the Contacts section, you can see all the ongoing conversations. Click on this icon to add a custom contact to BotPenguin. When a customer requests for a live chat, you get a pop-up for the same. You have the option to accept or reject it. If you accept it, you will be redirected to a chat window with the customer for a one-on-one conversation.